CBSL conglomerate has been handling sensitive paper management, high-security printing and other sensitive services for banking and government institutions for over 7 decades. You do have a busy day today. You start your day by signing a check, printed by CBSL, to pay for your child's school fee. You visit your child's schoolbook depot to buy schoolbooks that are printed by CBSL. Today you also need to open a bank account in your child's name. You fill in the required details and drop the documents in the account opening kiosk, installed by CBSL. You remember getting your passbook completed, so you self-operate the passbook printing machine, again installed by CBSL. Suddenly the light goes off in the bank. Don't worry, it is put on with help from solar panels, installed by CBSL. Your insurance claim, that was long pending with insurer, was expedited when CBSL automated the claim processing using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Not only that, but these services also come to the fore to assist you from CBSL-enabled technology. Now you go to your office, where you need to retrieve an important document, both in physical form, from the company's warehouse maintained by CBSL, and digital form using CBSL's DMS software, for completing a few critical tasks. An important team with your boss is managed end-to-end by using CBSL's various other solutions. You are happy now that you completed each of these activities successfully and timely. CBSL, building relations for over 7 decades.